Leaving your home unmonitored, even for a short while, can feel a little uneasy these days. That's where indoor security cameras come in. But here's the question. Do you really need to spend more to get better quality? Or can a more budget-friendly option do the job just as well? Today, we're comparing two of the most talked about indoor cameras on the market right now, the Ring Indoor Cam Plus and the eufy Indoor Cam S350. One's compact, simple, and deeply integrated into Ring's ecosystem. The other? It's feature-packed, sharp as ever, and doesn't come with any monthly fees. But which one is actually the better buy for your home? Let's find out. Starting with design, the Ring Indoor Cam Plus keeps things minimal and familiar. It's compact, with a clean white finish that blends into most home interiors without drawing too much attention. It has a flexible swivel mount, which means you can place it on a countertop, shelf, or even mount it to the ceiling pretty easily. It's basically a set-it-and-forget-it kind of design. On the other hand, the eufy Indoor Cam S350 has a more advanced, slightly bulkier design, and there's a reason for that. It packs dual cameras, one wide-angle 4K lens and a 2K telephoto lens. It's also designed for 360-degree pan and tilt, so it can literally look around an entire room. If Ring feels like a simple webcam sitting in your living room, eufy feels more like a full-on security turret. Both cameras are solidly built, but they clearly target different kinds of users. Ring's compact and discreet, eufy's more feature-loaded and visibly techy. If you want something that blends in quietly, Ring has the edge here. But if you want a camera that can track and cover a lot of space, eufy's design makes sense. Here's where things get interesting. The Ring Indoor Cam Plus features what Ring calls Retinal 2K video. And while that's mostly branding, the image quality is definitely sharp. You get 2K resolution, solid detail, and good dynamic range, especially in low-light conditions thanks to low-light sight and color night vision. But when you put it side by side with eufy's Indoor Cam S350, there's a clear difference. The S350 delivers true 4K UHD resolution with its main wide-angle camera paired with a 2K telephoto lens that gives you up to 8x hybrid zoom. That combination lets you capture both the big picture and fine details, simultaneously if you want. Even when you zoom in, the S350 retains sharpness that most indoor cams can't match. Faces, text, or small movements, they all remain clear. Meanwhile, Ring's 2K feed still looks good, but zooming past 2x starts to soften things a bit. If image clarity is your top priority, eufy takes the win here, no question. Both cameras handle low light really well, but they go about it differently. Ring uses its low-light sight and color night vision to give you a bright, colorful image even when the room's dimly lit. It's tuned to reduce noise and keep things looking sharp, and it works. eufy, meanwhile, uses that f1.6 sensor and powerful infrared lights, which pull in more light and give a much brighter, clearer view at night. It's not just about seeing vague outlines, you can actually recognize faces at quite a distance. If nighttime monitoring is a priority for you, eufy definitely has the advantage here. The Ring Indoor Cam Plus is a fixed-position camera. You can adjust its angle manually, but once it's pointed somewhere, it stays there. That works fine if you only need to cover a doorway, a specific corner, or a single room. eufy, though, offers 360-degree pan and tilt with AI-powered tracking. That means it can follow people or pets around the room automatically. If your dog runs from the living room to the kitchen, the camera smoothly pans and keeps them in frame. That's something Ring simply can't do. Plus, with eufy, you can set patrol points, like your entryway, pet's bed, or kid's play area, and the camera will cycle between those spots on its own. That's pretty impressive for an indoor cam. Ring keeps things simple and practical. You get motion-activated notifications, live view, two-way talk, customizable privacy zones, and even quick replies with pre-recorded messages, though that last one requires a subscription. It also integrates tightly with the Ring app, where you can manage other Ring or compatible smart devices from one dashboard. Eufy brings a bit more AI into the mix. Apart from standard motion detection, it has AI-powered subject tracking that can follow people or pets. It also supports custom patrol routes, quick view shortcuts to your favorite areas, and dual view mode, meaning you can watch both the wide and zoomed-in views at the same time on one screen. It's a bit more advanced than Ring, and for someone who wants to actively monitor activity in different parts of a room, it's a game changer. This one's interesting. Ring offers a removable lens cover, which is a physical way to block the camera. You can slide it over and instantly feel at ease. There's also a toggle in the app to turn off the microphone. Plus, you can set privacy zones to block out sensitive areas from recording, like your desk or a neighbor's window. Eufy does it differently, but just as effectively. With a single tap, the camera can physically rotate away from the room, like facing a wall. It also supports scheduled privacy mode, so if you want it to look away at specific times, it can do that automatically. This is a really neat touch if you value convenience and automation. Both companies take privacy seriously, but they approach it differently. Ring gives you a manual cover. Eufy gives you automated privacy control. This is where the gap really shows. With Ring, to unlock most of the features, like video recording, reviewing past events, or using advanced quick replies, you'll need a Ring Protect Plan subscription. Without it, you still get live view and notifications but no cloud storage. For many users, that's a downside. Eufy, however, doesn't require a monthly subscription. You can insert an SD card of up to 128 gigabytes or connect the camera to the Eufy Homebase S380 for expanded storage. That means no monthly costs, just to keep recordings. It's a one-time purchase, and that's it. For long-term use, that can save quite a bit of money. Ring Indoor Cam Plus is the more affordable option up front. If you just want a simple, reliable indoor camera that works with minimal fuss, it's great value. But keep in mind, if you want access to recordings and certain smart features, you'll likely end up paying a subscription fee over time. Eufy Indoor Cam S350 is more expensive upfront, but you get higher resolution, advanced tracking, better night vision, 360-degree coverage, dual-band Wi-Fi, and no monthly fees. So while it costs more initially, it may actually be more cost-effective in the long run. Both of these cameras do their job well, but they're built for different kinds of users. If you want something straightforward, affordable, and integrated into an existing Ring ecosystem, the Ring Indoor Cam Plus makes total sense. It's compact, easy to use, and delivers great image quality without overcomplicating things. But if you want top-tier performance, no blind spots, excellent night vision, and no subscription fees, the Eufy Indoor Cam S350 is simply more advanced. It gives you more control, more clarity, and more coverage. Thanks for watching.